back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Bruce Built Performance 07. Meanwhile, you got the number 1Z. That will be the one and only Philip Ramirez out of Trenton, Ohio, also on the Speedway. As it looks like we're ready to go. Green flag here for the first lap of warm-ups. So far as the warm-ups have continued here for the American All-Star Series, it looks like we may be getting a little bit of time here, as it's got the number 5 of Chenzi going to be there. You'll have the number 12 of Ace Claiborne, as lap times are now starting to show. So far, it's still Shane Greco going to be the 14:010 quick time at this time for your hot laps. It's going to be Trevor Stein second, Joshua Chenzi there as well, Ace Claiborne, and it will go to Jason Cardwell and Philip Ramirez, your field for this so far. Trevor Size now got a little bit faster. Now he's the quick time car with a 13.957. 13.957 here for the warm-ups. After that's going to be Shane Greco with a 14.010. As Shane Greco is going to be quick time with a 13.805. 13.805 there for Shane Greco. Checkered flag has now come down here for warm-ups for the American All-Star Series once again, as Shane Greco is going to be the quick time with a 13.805. I repeat, 13.805. Second quick out of that session will be Trevor Size. You will also have Jason Cardwell going to be third quick with a 14.138. After that, it'll go to Joshua Chesney there with a 14.272. Ace Claiborne as well with a 14.377. And Philip Ramirez with a 15.780 for your warm-up for the first round. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys go out and see Mr. Richard out there for the American All-Star Series merch. Once again, out on the front stretch. Tell him Peter sent you if you want your new shirts and t-shirts and hats, and you guys got it there. As your warm-ups number 2 is going to get ready to go. As you got the number 6 machine, Michael Chilton going to be on the Speedway. Meanwhile, they're going to be the number 17. He's going to be one of your guys' favorites. It's going to be Mr. Stallings there in the number 17 machine here today. As the field's going to be coming around for the Speedway for the second round of warm-ups, you have your American All-Star Series points leader with that yellow PPM Racing product spoiler. That's going to be Tyler Arrington out of Honaker, Virginia. Meanwhile, the number 17 is Steve Stallings out of the Hazard Auto from Napa. And that number 17 right there in front of you, as these guys are going to be able to put on a show for the fans. How about the number 14? What a run for the number 14 machine of Mr. Walls out there. Logan Walls on the Speedway did an absolutely phenomenal job at Mountain Motor Speedway. Came up a lot of ways, so we're ready to go.
All right, guys. Chilton's in.
As that number 9 machine, that's going to be, it's Zach Size out of Knoxville, Tennessee, in the CV Auto Parts Speedway as well. And Lacey Speed Shop, as we are ready to go. We're back underway for warm-ups here for the American All-Star Series. A warm-up session here, as like we're ready to go. Like I said, Zach Size, Shane Greco, and Tyler Arrington, your top 3 here for warm-ups. As we are going to get ready to go, Ryan Smith there. You got the number 23 at Toter, and the number 115. That's going to be Tyrell Todd with that number 44 ride. That'll be the one and only Mr. Caleb Markham, also on the Speedway. The number 51 machine. I haven't even talked about him yet here today, and that's going to be Jordan Wesley in that field as well. As we're going green flag. Going to be this time by. Warm-ups have begun here for your Lake Cumberland Speedway, as is Tyrell Todd and on the unbalanced side so far, looking absolutely beautiful. That number 115 machine. Times are still clicking in. Zach Size still going to be the quickest car on the Speedway, as is Shane Greco. Tyler Arrington still going to be the top 3. There you got Mr. Toter in that number 23T so far. Zach Size still hanging on. The 115 of Mr. Tyrell Todd crossing that finish line as well, as it's still going to be Zach Size, Shane Greco, Tyler Arrington, Michael Chilton going to be with a 13.893. Rosen Wesley going to be at a 13.952 at this time for warm-ups, as they continue on ripping around the Speedway here for warm-ups today. As that number 52 machine is going to cross the line, he is still going to be, it'll be a 14.243 at this time. But your quick time car here for the American All-Star Series is still Zach Size, Shane Greco, and Tyler Arrington, your top 3. Checkered flag has been waved here for your warm-ups here for the American American All-Star Series. Ladies and gentlemen, once again for the American All-Star Series, sponsored by PPM Racing Products. Thank you for coming down here. It's going to be Zach Seiss, still going to be the quick time with the 13.728. Congratulations. It's Shane Greco with the 13.805. Tyler Arrington there with the 13.872. After that, it's going to be Michael Shelton and Roman Wesley, your top 5.